Good morning, students. Today we are here to discuss the typography 11th grade chapter 1, some basic concepts, introduction to typography. First point, introduction. Generally, before starting of computer system, the first technology was the typewriter technology. In the olden days, when the typewriter was not in existence, the letter and documents are used to be written with the pen. Before typewriter or computers, all the work was dependent upon manual system or handwritten, and writing with pen was very time consuming, and the major thing, the quality of writing was not good. After invention of typewriter, a major changes occur in the transmission of information, because with the help of typewriter, information can be written as a neat, clean and legible manner. Typewriter has been a source of getting jobs to millions of people. It means who are having the skill of typewriting, they can get the job in private sector, they can get the job as a computer operator, they can get the job as a junior assistant or front office assistant, or you can say in any private company, or you can speak any hospital. It means everywhere a user can get the job with the help of having the skill of typewriting. And the matter typed by typewriter or computer is most attractive and distinctly more legible as compared to the handwritten material. Now in this chapter, which concept we will cover? These are the learning outcomes of this chapter. After going through this unit, you will be able to know the history of typewriter, how to define the typography, understand the importance of learning typewriting on typewriter or computer, identify various typing types of typewriters, know that this is a job-oriented course, distinguish between various types of typewriter, define standard typewriter, enlist the silent feature of electronic typewriter, justify the use of typewriter or computer over handwriting, know about computer and laptop, and acquire the skill of typewriting on typewriter or computer or laptop. Now what is typewriter and typography? The typewriter, everybody knows, it's a machine which produces character resembling to those of ordinarily printed matter. These characters are printed on the paper one by mechanical means, with each depression of key on the keyboard of the typewriter. It means when a user press any key from the typewriter, that key will resemble the same character on a paper, and character by character printing will be start from left to right side, and also machine will be moved from left to right side when we are going to typing the letter or when we are going to typing any statement. The machine on which you will learn typewriting to produce print is known as typewriter. It means which machine you are using for learning typewriting or to produce the print, that machine is known as typewriter. And the process, how you are typing, which are the rule of typing. Like generally the left hand and right hand fingers are arranged on the home key, and the home row is your A, S, D, F and J, K, L and semicolon. The process of producing print like impression on typewriter or computer or laptop is known as typography. It means the process of producing the printing with the help of typewriter or a computer is known as a typography or typographic technique. Now origin and development of typewriter. The first typewriter came in market in 1714, but it was not success. And this first typewriter was invented by Henry Mill. He was the engineer of England, but he did not good success. Afterward, second attempt was made by W.A. Burt of US in 1829, and the name of typewriter was with the name of developer. It means the name was Burt typographer, and this model was accidentally destroyed in the fire. Due to that, it can not also be succeed. In 1868, the first efficient and practical typewriter, it means that could success in market, was produced by Mr. Christopher Lantham Solish, and he was the developer of US. Chris Hopper is also known as the father of typewriter technology. It was the first typewriter that got success in the market. And this is the important question in 1 mark also. Who developed the first typewriter or produced the first typewriter? And the developer or producer was Mr. Chris Hopper Lantham Solish, and that belongs from US, and he developed in 1868. In 1873, a contract signed to manufacture typewriter with Remington and Son Company. And in 1873, agreement was done, and 1874 they produced the first model of that company, first machine, and it looked like a sewing machine. It means it is like a sewing machine. It was smaller in size, and it was little bit better than the first typewriter technology. In 1878, Mr. Charles McBride, an American typist, introduced touch method of typing. What it is touch method of typing? It means it is also known as a soft method of typing. It means a user will just touch the keys and it starts producing the output. Touch method is the method of without looking on the typewriter, while side method in which a person will look the key on typewriter and after that he will press. And touch method help the typist to type without looking at the keyboard with all the finger of both hand. That I told now. First hand finger, it means left hand finger will be arranged on A, S, D, F, and second hand finger will be arranged on J, K, L and semicolon. Afterward, in 1896, first agency of Remington Company was opened in India. Generally, Remington Company that does belong from US. They have opened their first franchise in India in 1896. In the same year, first standard typewriter model was produced by Underwood Company. In 1925, noiseless typewriter, which reduces the noise while typing, was introduced in market. Before 1925, all the typewriter, while a user is going to typing, generate a huge noise, like pressing key was very hard. Due to that, a huge noise was generated. But in 1925, a noiseless typewriter came in market, which reduces the 70% noise at the time of typing any letter. Afterward, in 1931, to meet the requirement of those typists who used to travel their offices, it means a requirement was to develop a typewriter which can print anywhere without any type of problem. It means a user can easily take the machine outside the company, outside the office, and for taking it as a outside the office, the machine should be less in size or lighter in weight. First portable typewriter introduced in 1931. A user can easily carry with them in the office at other location. It was easy for a user. In 1938, the typewriter company introduced an electric typewriter. Where electric technology will be there, the speed of typewriting will be faster, which made its appearance in the market. This enabled the typist to do more work without getting tired, because electric typewriters provide the facility of typing in a fast manner. A user will be tired less, and if tiredness will be less, then automatically the processing speed will be higher or typing speed will be more. So far, the typewriters with only English keyword were available. Till the time of 1938, only the English language typewriter keyboard were available in the market. But by the middle of 20th century, typewriter with keyboard in different language, including Hindi language, came into the market. Before 1938, all the typewriter can generate only the English typewriting, but after 1938, in 20th century, Hindi typewriting typewriter were available. And electronic typewriter is the most improvement in the market. That is the latest typewriter. It came in market in 1982. It is having all the functions, all the features, all the quality concepts. This is the general layout of typewriter technology that we have discussed right now. First came in 1714, then 1829, 1868, 1873, 1878. These all we have discussed in the previous. Now, importance of a typewriter. Why we are using the typewriter? The first importance of typewriter is it provides the job to the million of people. If you are having a skill of typewriting, you can get job very easily in any office, or you can open your own business as a typist. Second, it is a desirable skill. It is not an essential part. It is not mandatory. Without that you can't get job. But if you are having a skill, it can pay you extra money. You can get good quality job with the skill of typewriting also. It has replaced pen. The more thing, pen technology was slower and the quality was not good. But with the help of typewriter, it replaced the pen technology and you can work with a machine very easily and faster. It ensures speed and accuracy also. Your accuracy level will be good. You can write in a good manner and your speed will be higher and your fluency of typewriting will also be good. And it saves time and energy. Generally, if you are working with machine, you will save your time and you will be energetic to do the work without any getting tiredness. It produces work which is impressive in look. Generally, the output generated by a machine is better than the output written by a particular people or person. It means it produces a neat and clean or good quality output, and it develops concentration. While you are sitting on the machine, you can work with a concentration either than doing work on a paper or with the help of pen. And it helps blind people. Either you are having good skill, either you are not having good skill, but a blind person can get the job if he is having a good skill. It means it helps the company, it helps the people who are not able to see the particular natural things, who are not able to write with the help of their eyes. In that case, they can learn the skill of typewriter technology, they can learn the typewriting and they can get job very easy. In this part, we have covered only this concept. If you are having any doubt, you can contact me on my particular number or you can give your comments on my mail ID. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. And in next video, we will discuss the rest part of chapter 1.